studied some of the identities. You studied these identities, isn't it? A plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. X plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. These four identities you studied in 8th standard, isn't it? We shall use these identities to factorize an algebraic expression. Okay? See here, this is an algebraic expression. A square plus 2ab plus b square is an algebraic expression. What are the factors of this expression? The factors are a plus b into a plus b and a plus b. What are the factors of this expression? A minus b and a minus b. What are the factors of a square minus b square? A plus b, a minus b. What are the factors of x square plus a plus b into x plus ab? X plus a and x plus b. So, we use these identities to factorize algebraic expression. We have to learn two or more identities. Listen here. This is a binomial. This is a binomial. Okay, it has two terms. So, we can use these identity to find the square of a trinomial. Okay? Listen here. A plus b plus c the whole square. In order to find a plus b plus c the whole square, we can use this identity. How we can use this? We can find this by substituting a plus b by x or m or something like that. We substitute a plus b equal to x. Okay? So, this can be written as a plus b equal to x. So, this becomes x plus c the whole square. Isn't it? We have to find a plus b plus c the whole square. We know a plus b the whole square. So, to make this as a binomial, we substitute a plus b as x. So, this becomes x plus c. X is a plus b. X plus c the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, we can write this as a plus b. Here, a is x. So, x square plus 2ab, 2x into c, 2x into c plus b square. Here it is c. So, c square. Okay? Equal to, here x is a plus b. So, a plus b the whole square plus 2 into x is a plus b into c plus this c square equal to, again a plus b, you know a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square plus, we have to multiply a plus b with 2c. Here 2 into a plus b into c. Okay. So, 2ac plus 2 into c into a is 2ac plus 2 into c into b, 2bc plus c square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. This is the expansion of a plus b plus c the whole square. Okay. Once again, to find a plus b plus c the whole square, this is a trinomial. We have a plus b the whole square. So, substitute a plus b as, assume a plus b as x. So, this becomes x plus c the whole square. So, using this identity, we can expand this x square plus 2xc plus c square. X is a plus b. So, substitute a plus b in place of x. So, a plus b the whole square plus 2 into a plus b into c plus c square equal to a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square plus, we have to multiply 2c with a plus b. So, 2c into a, 2ac plus 2c into b, 2bc plus this c square. So rearranging these terms, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. This is the expansion of a plus b plus c the whole square. So the next identity is a plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Okay. Similarly, we can use this identity to find a plus b the whole cube. Next we have to find a plus b the whole cube. A plus b the whole cube equal to, what is x cube? X cube. X cube can be written as x into x into x. Similarly, a plus b the whole cube equal to a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. Okay, then this is equal to a plus b into a plus b into a plus b is, or x into x is x square. X into x is x square. Therefore, a plus b into a plus b is a plus b the whole square. We can write a plus b the whole cube as a plus b into a plus b the whole square directly. Okay, that is x cube equal to x into x square. Okay, so a plus b the whole cube equal to a plus b into a plus b the whole square equal to a plus b into, we know a plus b the whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then expand the bracket. First multiply a with this one and then plus b with this one. Okay, so a into a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then multiply plus b with this one plus b into a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a into a square, a cube, plus a into 2ab, 2a square b, plus a into b square, a b square, plus b into a square b, plus b into 2ab, 2ab square, plus b into b square, b cube. Then rearrange the terms. This is a cube plus this b cube plus 2a square b plus a square b. 2a square b's are like terms. 2a square b plus a square b is 2x plus x. 2x plus x is 3x. Here 2a square b plus a square b is 3a square b plus here a b square and 2ab square is 3ab square equal to a cube plus b cube plus, what are the common factor in these two terms? The common factors are 3ab. So 3ab into, if we take 3ab from this term, the remaining factor is a. This plus, if we take 3ab from this term, the remaining factor is b. This is the expansion of a plus b the whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Next identity, a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay. Then we have to find a minus b the whole cube. In order to find a minus b the whole cube, substitute minus b in place of plus b. Okay. We get a minus b the whole cube equal to a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus b plus bab into a plus b. So a minus b the whole cube, when we substitute b minus b in place of b, this becomes a minus b the whole cube. So substitute minus b here also. So a cube plus minus b the whole cube. Substitute minus b in place of b. Minus b the whole cube plus 3a into minus b, a plus minus b equal to a cube. Minus b the whole cube is minus b cube. Plus here 3a into minus b is minus 3ab into a plus into minus minus a minus b. This is the expansion of a minus b the whole cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. This is the next identity. A minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, so you should study all these identities. A plus b the whole square. Then only you can factorize this algebraic expression in the coming exercises. A plus b the whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. X plus a into x plus b. X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. A plus b plus c the whole square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. A plus b the whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A minus b the whole cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay. You should by heart all these identities. Okay. Let us start exercise 2.5. First question is, using suitable properties, find the products. X plus 4 into x plus 10. X plus 4 into x plus 10. Look here. These factors are similar to, or this identity, this is similar to, this question is similar to which identity here? Is it a plus b the whole square? If it is in the form of a plus b the whole square, this is x plus 4 into x plus 4 or x plus 10 into x plus 1 like this. So these are not these identities. Okay. A square minus b square. No. A plus b into a minus b. Is it a plus b into a minus b form? No. The second terms are different. Here the first terms are equal and the second terms are also equal. Here the first terms are equal, second terms are different. So note like this identity. Look here, x plus a into x plus b. This is here also the first terms are equal, second terms are different. First terms equal, second terms different. So this is similar to this identity, x plus a into x plus b. What is x plus a into x plus b? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So this is equal to x square plus, here a equal to 4 and b equal to 10. A equal to 4, b equal to 10. So a plus b, 4 plus 10 into x plus ab. AB here, a 4, b 10. So 4 into 10. We use which identity here? X plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. You mention the property, which identity. You mention which identity is used here. Okay. This is equal to x square plus 4 plus 10, 14 into x. 14x plus 4 into 10, 14. So this is the product. Okay. Once again, this question is similar to this identity, x plus a into x plus b. We know the expansion of this identity, according to which here in place of a we have 4, b 10. So substitute So here x square plus x plus a into x plus b is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So x square plus a plus b 4 plus 10 into x 4 plus 10 into x plus ab 4 into 10. Okay, x square plus 14 4 plus 10 40x plus 40. Okay, clear? The next question is x plus 8 into x minus 10. Look here, this is similar to which identity? Not this one, not this one, not this one. This is also similar to this one. X plus a into x plus b. X square plus a plus b into x. Here a equal to plus 8 and b equal to, b is not 10. Here b is minus 10. B equal to minus 10. So x square plus a plus b into x. A is 8, b is minus 10, a plus b into x plus ab 8 into minus 10 equal to x square. Here 8 minus 10. What is 8 minus 10? Minus 2. Minus 2 into x. Minus 2x plus 8 into minus 10 is minus 80. So right back is minus 80. This is answer. Okay. Come to the third question. 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. This is also similar to x plus a into x plus b. Here a equal to 4 and b equal to minus 5. In place of x, here we have 3x. So x square becomes 3x the whole square. X square plus a plus b into x. A is 4, b is minus 5 into x plus ab 4 into minus 5 equal to 3x the whole square. 3x the whole square. What is 3x the whole square? 3 square is 9. X square is x square. So 9x square. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 into x minus x. 4 into minus 5 minus 20. This is the product of these factors. Okay. The next question is y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. This is similar to here. In both the terms, both the factors, first terms are equal. Here it is y square, here it is y square. The second terms are here 3 by 2, here 3 by 2. This is similar to which identity here? Yes, a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. It is a square minus b square. So here a equal to, what is a here? Y square. What is b here? 3 by 2. A plus b into a minus b. So the identity is x plus a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So here it is a square. A is y square. A square is y square the whole square minus b square. B is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 the whole square. A square minus b square. Y square, what is y square the whole square? You know a raised to m the whole raised to n. What is a raised to m the whole raised to n? A raised to m into n. Here it is y raised to 2 into 2 minus 3 by 2 the whole square. 3 square by 2 square. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4 equal to 2 into 2 4. Y raised to 4 minus 9 by 4. Okay. The last, the fifth one, you should just homework. We can see you in the next class. Till then, take care.